What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And yes, finally, today, natuloy ko din na makagawa ng reaction video sa tapatan ni Raven Hires and Mia Tiangco. Alright, so trending na trending to guys. Sobrang excited ako gumawa ng video ngayon. And thank you so much sa mga suggestion ninyo. And finally, makakasabay na tayo sa isa sa mga latest and updated and trending na tapatan sa tawag ng tanghalan. So wag na natin pagtagalin to guys. Without further ado, let's start watching this matinding tapatan ni Raven and Mia. Come on, let's go. Oh, by the way, ang unang kakanta si Raven, and I believe ang kakantay niya rito ay Come On In Out on the Rain ni Sherin Reyes. Napakataas nito, so tingnan natin kung paano bibigyan ng buhay ni Raven ang kanta na to.
You said you believe that we fight.
Dinig niyo ba yun? Kung paano siya nag-runs. Ang aga naman, Raven. Ang aga. Ganyan kunin ni Raven yung attention ng mga nakikinig at nanonood sa kanya. That's why ang galing talaga ni Raven. Oh, Miss Pops Fernandez is in the house.
Together happily, and after all the wrong of time, you feel that I'm still the one to give your love into. So bring it.
Halatang nagbabaga si Rebe.
To you.
And she's looks so beautiful. Sobrang ganda niya. Napakaganda ni Raven.
You told me you love me.
Alam mo, ayun yung maganda sa labanan eh. Yung katapat mo is nagja-jive din siya sa'yo. Without, may pressure for sure. Pero syempre sa nakikita ng mga tao, like, you're enjoying the moment. Right? So, thumbs up kay Mia.
Fight of a change. Welcome into your arms again. Come on in out of the rain. Hey, there's some place in your heart to love.
Grabe yung boses talaga na Raven, no? Babaeng babae, angelic, ang ganda ng timbre, nice.
Me again. Happiness and joy you breathe when you call my name. Come on out of the rain.
Kita mo yun? Narinig mo ba yun? Ang galing niya sa part na yun. Nakakakilig.
Some people spend lifetime looking for love, and I have love right here all of the time. Why did I try to deny?
Medyo nag-slow down, pero okay naman. Very decent.
Deep inside, I just couldn't find it. You turn my life around. The love I lost is found. So let the rain come down.
Ooh!
But you let me find out the change. Welcome me into your arms again.
Nice, Raven. Nice.
Come on and out of the rain.
Oh my God! Narinig niyo ba yun? Ulitin nga natin yung part na yun. Ulitin natin yung part na yun. Come on. Oh! Raven, hindi yun ganon. Hindi yung ganon. Good job. Galing. Nakakakilig. Tonto si Mr. Louie Ocampo.
When you call my name, come on and out of the rain.
Nice. Nice runs. Sobrang pinahaba, pinaganda, at pinag-isipan.
Baby, come out of the rain.
Yay! Ang smooth ng ending. Napakaganda ng ginawa ni Raven sa version niya ng kanta na to. Sobrang ang galing, nakaka-amaze lang na sobrang talented talaga na Raven when it comes to runs, when it comes to style ng pag-deliver ng song, yung emotions nandun, sobrang galing. Sobrang ang galing niya doon sa part na yun. And the smile, of course, the ending, the smile. So, sobrang kitang-kita naman sa mukha ni Raven na ang saya niya sa performance niya. And feeling ko sobrang satisfied din siya doon. Alright, so jump na tayo kay Mia. I don't know kung anong kakantahin ni Mia dito. Hindi ako familiar sa song. Pero let's see kung paano gagawa ni Mia ng laban doon sa performance ni Raven. Let's go.
Sometimes in our lives, we all
See kung paano mag-cut ng attention sa first line pa lang. Galing.
have pain. We all have sorrow.
Hey!
But if we are wise, we know that there's
You.
always tomorrow. Lean on me.
Oh, it's a Lean on Me. Michael Jackson ba yan? Hindi ko alam, hindi ako sure. Comment nyo sa baba, guys. Comment sa baba kung ano yung title ng kinanta niya. Lean on Me yata. Hindi ako nagkakamali. It's Lean on Me. Magaling din to si Mia. Alam mo yung tapatan nilang dalawa na to. Sobrang ano nito, epic. Ang epic nito for sure. Parehas silang magaling.
When you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on.
Oh my God.
It won't be long till
Bakit umiiyak? Ba't umiiyak? Look at Sir Ogie. Sobrang seryoso. Sinusuri ang kanyang performance for sure.
I'm gonna need somebody to lean on me. Hey, swallow your
Parang nagko-concert lang. Sobrang chill. Pero may laban.
pride. If I haven't, you need to borrow.
Oh! Galing. Pero parang wala yun dun sa kanta. Nice.
No one can feel those other needs that you only show. So just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody.
Kitang-kita niyo naman ang energy sa loob ng studio. Even me, sa kanta niya, napapajibs ako. Magaling talaga si Mia. Magaling din siya, ha. Fairness. Kita niyo naman yung mga tao sa loob ng studio. Lahat sila nakasmile and they're all jamming in, you know.
To lean on. I
Runs, runs, runs.
Need somebody
Okay.
to lean on.
Oh, see? Taas nun ah, haba nun. Akala ko tapos na. Ulitin nga natin yung part na yun. Ulitin natin yung part na yun. Ang haba nun ah.
This might have a problem that you understand. We all need somebody to lean on.
Ooh! Ooh! Yeah! Ang haba. Super. Galing. Galing, 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 galing ng control. Ooh!
And you, and you, and you. Go on. Don't you worry, don't you cry. Everything's gonna.
Nag-iba yata yung depths ng music natin, ng kanta natin. Ano to? Parang ni-remix? Tama ba guys? Comment nyo nga sa baba. Comment nyo sa baba. Gusto kong malaman kung anong nangyari.
Be alright. Call on me, brother. Yeah. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem, but
Ayan ang signature ni Mia. You know what I mean? Ayan yung signature niya when it comes to performances. Ayan, ganyan na ganyan yung mga signatures niya.
you understand. We all need somebody to lean on.
Hey! Ooh, the runs! Ooh.
And you, and you, and you, and you. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Tignan natin paano niya i-end to.
If you need a friend.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
Good job, Mia. Good job, Mia. Nice, 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 nice. Grabing labanan. So guys, kayo nang umusga. Alam ko na panood nyo na kung sino nanalo and kung ano nangyari dyan. Ako, I'm so happy na nakita ko and nagawa natin ng reaction video today, yung labanan and tapatan ni Mia and Raven. So, sobrang happy ako guys. Thank you so much. Sa nag-send nga pala ng link kung saan ako manonood para hindi masyadong magka-problem. Kasi parang may problem yata yung mga previous videos ko. Thank you so much to you, XOL1. Thank you so much for assisting me. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like sa channel natin para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na videos natin. Thank you so much and sobrang nag-enjoy ako today and sana kayo din nag-enjoy sa performance ng dalawang to sa tapatan. And whatever happens guys, kung sino man ang magchi-champion or grand champion sa tawag ng tanghalan, susubaybayan natin yan hanggang dulo, sama-sama tayo. Okay? And by the way guys, sa mga nagre-request ng ibang video naman to lighten up, wag puro kanta, may mga nagsasuggest sa akin sa ibang video, mga funny videos naman daw. Yes, I will do it. I will try guys. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Peace out. Love ko kayo. Thank you so much.